In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect integrations in Hubstaff. If you're finding it a bit tricky to manage your integrations or simply want to streamline your workflow by removing unused connections, you've come to the right place. Disconnecting integrations is a straightforward process, but it's important to perform each step carefully to ensure you're not disrupting your work processes unnecessarily. Let's jump right in, and I'll walk you through the entire procedure step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Hubstaff account if you haven't already. Once you're in, locate and click on the Settings tab. You can usually find this in the main menu, often represented by a gear or cog icon. Clicking on Settings will take you to a page where you have control over various aspects of your account. Now, within the Settings menu, look for the option that says Integration. It's a crucial section for managing all the connected applications that interact with your Hubstaff account. By clicking on Integration, you will be presented with a list of all the integrations that are currently connected to your Hubstaff account. After accessing your list of integrations, scan through your list to identify the specific integration you wish to disconnect. Once you've found the right one, look closely and you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots next to the integration name. This icon often represents additional options or actions you can perform on that particular integration. Clicking on these 3 dots will open a submenu providing you with various actions. From this submenu, you'll want to select the Remove option. This option initiates the disconnection process for the chosen integration. Removing an integration is a significant step as it will cease any data communication between Hubstaff and that particular application. So, it's a good idea to ensure that you really want to disconnect before proceeding. If you rely on that integration for task updates or time tracking, consider planning for this removal to avoid any disruption in your workflow. Once you've clicked Remove, you might receive a confirmation prompt asking you to confirm your decision to proceed. This is just Hubstaff's way of ensuring you don't accidentally remove something crucial. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the integration will be disconnected from your account. Take a moment to ensure that the removal was successful by checking the integration list again. If all appears clear, then congratulations, you've successfully disconnected an integration from Hubstaff. Remember, keeping your integrations organized and only linking those that are actively used is a great way to maintain a smooth workflow environment. So regularly audit your integrations just like this to keep everything running efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating the Hubstaff interface. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials like